nirmal ke nyam kanasan kontin ba rosme ba jeling ke jan gwasme gor jen o te ke news me de nung ye te ke nya jan me shrai gwasme mo goro de yan jodan la de yen ling cha jelas ko social media ko mandan la de jen te goro mi chalat gwasme nya jan no mo no bia jor bia jeling ke nyam be jelat ye mas ka thoknath yo ko bia joling chalat ka thok english kana thok dinka okay bramur ro linga be shuling yo gwasame mi jira mi jirit kan war online tv channel naga jeno gender subscribe kadir Nuer online tv ba de jen nyak ne ko ken aler benung ye me kan war online tv and lermun lero den tema karo jana inshallah te jen kwi nya jani no mo ki nyam mo nya jang ke nya jani jen bu kon jor bu kon lingo men jalat gwasame jenne jenne ne nyam jen nyawut ko men chal ke karbino kwanyin kwany ano nyaade mo right gwasmen jenne ne jenne gwar jenne ke John garang demabior ni janame jenne gwan ne ke John garang demabior. So Dr. John Garang killed my father, daughter of Karbino Kwanyin claim ajen nyar no jarwaja dana chalat beje gorum be ko linga mandana chalat so ko sharwa chaja de palwe gor jeno ba ka linga tit ko lat ko rodien chana jeling ko mandana la de ka video me bia joro bia jeling chan je bele nyot mandana la de duno linga joro no
who doesn't know?
Okay.
Hey guys, who doesn't know? I know. That Garang killed my father. Who doesn't know that? Gatdet himself actually, I didn't want to kill Karbino, but I get ordered. Do I blame Gatdet? No. Do I know where the order coming from? Yes. Garang want my dad dead. Garang had power through my own people, Karbino, Kwanyin, Bol, relatives and friends and blood. But my own blood let down their own son. So we evaluate it. Can I ritual circuit? Garang I know. Garang who won my father out. And there's no competition. I know a lot of people say, Garang. Who shot the first bullet, motherfuckers? Engan kong dang moy. Baben kong dang moy. Like in South Sudan, in our South Sudanese people, we don't appreciate what people did. We always looking for the who are right. Instead of appreciating what people did, we don't appreciate. My father, a lot of people don't appreciate him what he did. But hey, it's okay. This is life. But it doesn't mean go say something. Say something for what? Who said you want? Gatdet didn't want to kill my father. Garang will take out Karbino. And Karbino himself, his own people, his own brothers, his own blood want him out. A lot of his blood want him out. So what motherfuckers, what are we talking?